this is Nosheen from Short English Lessons with Nosheen. In this video, we are going to talk about conditionals in English language. What are the conditionals? Conditionals are the sentences in English language that express one thing is contingent or depending on something else. We commonly use these sentences in our daily English communication. They are the sentences usually begin with word if. We have 5 types of conditionals in English language that are called 5 conditionals. So let's have a look on 5 conditionals. First of all, we have zero conditional. In zero conditional, we talk about the truth in a general situation. It just tells the cause and effects. It doesn't have any possibilities or maybes. For example, if I eat seafood, I get skin allergy. Now, in this instance, if you look into the sentence in 2 parts, the first part is called if clause, that is telling you the cause or the reason. And the second part of the sentence is called main clause, that tells you the result or outcomes. So if I eat seafood, it's the reason. The result of eating seafood is I get skin allergy. So in these both parts of the sentence, we use present simple sentence in zero conditional. And next we have first conditional. In first conditional, we talk about the truth in a general situation as well, but with the possible outcomes or results in the future. For example, if you wake up late, you will reach the office late. So if you look in the sentence in 2 parts, the first part means if clause, it's in the present. If you wake up late now, and the consequence is in the future. You will reach the office late. So in first conditional, the structure of the sentence, we use if plus present simple in first part of the sentence, which is called if clause, and we use will plus infinitive in the second part of the sentence, that is called main clause. And now we have second conditional. Second conditional is always talking about highly unlikely or impossible situations. It's a bit confusing, but don't sweat. All you need to focus on the structure of the sentence and practice. So look at the example sentence. If I were you, I would avail the opportunity. Now I can't become you. It's impossible. So in second conditional, we use past simple form of the verb in the if clause, and we use would plus infinitive in the main clause, which is telling you the consequences or the results. And now we have third conditional. Third conditional is always impossible and unreal. It talks about the past consequences or results of an impossible situation in the past. For example, if you had come earlier, we would have reached the airport on time. So the structure of the sentence, the first part of the sentence means if clause, we use past perfect tense, and on the second part of the sentence, which is main clause, we use would plus have plus past participle. And finally, we have mixed conditional. In mixed conditional, we use half of one conditional and half of another conditional and mix them together. Therefore, it is called mixed conditional. It is usually the mixture of unreal situation in the second conditional and third conditional. In this conditional, we imagine a past change with consequences and results in the present. For example, if I had a promotion, I would have earned better now. So the structure of the sentence is, in the if clause, we use if plus had, and in the main clause, we use would plus have plus infinitive. So these are the 5 conditionals in English language. I'm certain you got a lot of stuff to practice for conditionals. Keep learning. I see you again. Bye-bye.